Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. So, yes, today's vlog is super exciting because I visited a very unique restaurant in Bangalore with my 2-year-old toddler. And trust me, this place is unlike anything I've seen before. It's called Gufa Restaurant and it really feels like you're stepping inside a cave, and it was too amazing. As soon as we entered, the vibe was completely different. Dim lighting, rock style walls, and this calm, peaceful atmosphere with birds chirping sounds. Honestly, it felt like we are in a jungle cave, and it was too good. And also, the staffs, they were dressed in hunter style outfits, which made the whole experience amazing and unique. And also, they have this beautiful water sitting experience. I mean, yes, you can actually sit and dip your feet in water while eating. I mean, that is the best, right? In summer, it's amazing to sit in this cool, chill water and have your meal. I mean, it's too good, I would say. But yes, I did not opt for this because my son, he loves water. So I don't know how he's gonna react. So that's the very reason why I was not prepared for it. I didn't wanted him to be in the water because if once he hits gets in the water, he will just be there for longer period, and I was not ready that he's gonna even sit on the chair and eat his food, because I felt like he's definitely gonna sit in the water and that was not gonna be a good experience. I mean, also the people around, I mean, even they were having the food, so it will be disturbing for them as well. And yes, so that's the very reason why I opted for a normal sitting area. And honestly, even that was super cozy and cool. It was so chill and so lovely inside. I was really worried about it because since it's so hot outside in Bangalore, going somewhere, we have to think twice that we're taking our toddlers and kids, because they have to feel comfortable, they have to feel calm and cool. So that is very important, and that was the very reason why I opted for this restaurant. And this restaurant is really perfect for summer because inside it's really nice and chill, and my toddler, he really had good time. So yes, they also have this man-made waterfall, and they had this man-made alligator as well. My son, he loves crocodile, so he was so excited to see crocodile. And then yes, before leaving, we had ordered food because food will take time over here. It's really crowded, so always ensure that you book prior, and that's the best. Don't wait in the waiting area and be there on time. So yes, we had ordered first chicken soup, and because that's something which will come really quickly. And I had ordered mushroom pasta for my son because that's really something that my son, he loves. So that's the very reason why I didn't want to take chance on ordering something that he has not tasted before. So that's the very reason I went ahead with something that he loves it and he's comfortable eating. So I ordered for mushroom pasta, and before the pasta could arrive, I ensured that he eats a little bit of soup, not too much. I did not give him much of soup. I was giving chicken and the veggies in that. And as you guys can see, he was enjoying it, and also he was eating this fried noodles. I know it's not a good option, but as I told you guys, that once in a while it's completely okay. We should not force them, and we should not be overly strict with them when it comes to food. Let them explore. So yes, as you guys can see, the way I was feeding him, even he's feeding me. So that's what I always say, you guys, that what we do is what our kids will do. So think twice before doing anything in front of your kids. And such a sweet, and it's just a cute gesture for my son. I mean, everyone over there, they were awestruck seeing my child, the way he was eating by himself and the way he was feeding me. That is something amazing, and it was so overwhelming for me. I was really happy. As a mother, I'm always proud of my son because he is too good. I mean, he eats by himself. Okay, I know that it's messy, it's getting messy, but it's completely okay for me. I'm ready for it. I don't mind my son getting messy, but what is important for me is that my son is eating by himself. Because soon he'll be going to kindergarten, and over there, yeah, there will be people who will look after him, who will try to feed him, but not always, right? So our kids, they need to learn by themselves of how to eat. It's very important, because if they skip their meals, it's not good. Once they are hungry, they will start throwing tantrums, and it's really not good. So it's important that they eat the food. They know what to do at when, and they know when to eat the breakfast, they know to eat the snacks, know to eat lunch. And it's really amazing, right? See how nicely he's eating, and I ensure that I make him sit in the corner. And that's a place I always opt for whenever I go for a restaurant, because I don't want him to get disturbed or disturb others. And that's the very reason why I opt for a corner place. And once he was done with his food, I did not interrupt him when he was eating and trying to wipe his face. No, it's not a good thing to do. Let him enjoy. Once he was done, then I wiped his hands and everything, and then I ensured I take him to a restroom, and I cleaned him. I changed everything, because this is what you should be ready for. I always say carry extra clothes, because this is what is for extra clothes. When they get dirty, messy, you have to change your clothes, because when they're dirty and you don't change your clothes, they will really be annoyed, and they will not be in a good mood. So once it was done, I finished my meal as well, and I ate peacefully, and the food here was really good, and it was really yummy and tasty. So yes, after that I brought my son out in the waiting zone, where he was playing around. He is a child who loves to explore. He's very curious about things. So yes, he enjoyed. We had a really great time, and I hope you guys also had fun watching this video.